Taxi! Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Do you need a ride?
Yes, please. I need to go to the train station.
Sure. Please get in.
Thank you.
Which train station do you need?
The Central train station, please.
No problem. It is not too far.
How long will the ride take?
Around 15 minutes, if traffic is light.
That sounds good.
Are you catching a train soon?
Yes, my train leaves in 40 minutes.
Don't worry. We should reach on time.
I hope so. I do not want to miss it.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, just one suitcase.
I will put it in the trunk.
Thank you very much.
Are you new in this city?
Yes, this is my first visit.
Welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you. The city looks nice.
Yes, it is busy, but beautiful.
How much will the taxi cost?
It will be around $10.
That is fine.
Would you like the window open?
No, thank you. The car is comfortable.
We are almost near the station now.
Great. That was quick.
Yes, traffic is good today.
Is the station entrance on the right?
Yes, I will stop near the main gate.
Perfect.
Here we are. This is the train station.
Thank you. How much is it?
It is $9.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Could you please take out my suitcase?
Of course.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe journey.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Hello. Welcome to Fresh Cup Cafe.
Hi, I would like an iced coffee, please.
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Would you like milk in it?
Yes, please. A little milk.
Would you like sugar?
Yes, 1 sugar, please.
Do you want any flavor?
Do you have vanilla?
Yes, we have vanilla and caramel.
I will add vanilla.
Good choice.
Do you have anything to eat?
Yes, we have cheese sandwiches and muffins.
I will take a cheese sandwich.
Would you like it heated?
Yes, please.
Will you sit here or take it away?
I will take it away.
No problem.
How much is the iced coffee?
It is $4.
And the sandwich?
The sandwich is $5.
Okay, I will pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Done?
Payment approved. Thank you.
How long will it take?
About 5 minutes.
I will wait here.
Sure. Here is your iced coffee and cheese sandwich.
Thank you. The coffee looks nice.
I hope you enjoy it.
I'm sure I will.
Have a great day.
You too.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. What are you looking for?
I am looking for cheese.
The cheese section is in aisle 4.
Aisle 4?
Yes. Go straight and turn left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me again. I found the cheese section.
Great. Do you need more help?
Yes, I need cheese for sandwiches.
Then cheddar cheese is a good choice.
Is it good with bread?
Yes, it is perfect for sandwiches.
Do you have small packs?
Yes, we have small and large packs.
I will take a small pack.
Would you like sliced cheese?
Yes, sliced cheese is better.
Here you are.
Thank you. I also need milk and eggs.
Milk is in aisle 5.
Are the eggs near the milk?
Yes, they are in the dairy section.
Perfect.
Are you making breakfast?
Yes, I want to make sandwiches for my family.
That sounds nice.
Do you have low-fat cheese?
Yes, it is on this shelf.
How much is it?
It is $4.
Okay, I will take it.
Do you need anything else?
No, that is all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, I would like to pay.
Sure. Did you find everything?
Yes, I did.
Your total is $13.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please. Tap your card.
Done.
Payment approved. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Good evening. I have a problem with my booking.
Good evening. I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I booked a room, but I cannot check in.
May I have your name, please?
My name is David Brown.
Thank you. Let me check the system.
Sure,
I can see your booking here,
that is good.
but your room is not ready yet.
Oh, I have been traveling all day.
I understand. I'm very sorry for the delay.
How long do I need to wait?
About 15 to 20 minutes.
Is there any other room available?
Let me check for you.
Thank you.
Yes, we have another room on the 4th floor.
Is it ready now?
Yes, it is ready.
Can I take that room?
Of course. May I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Here is your key card.
What is my room number?
Your room number is 418.
Where is the elevator?
It is on your right.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Great. Thank you for solving the problem.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Good night. Excuse me, I need to go to my flight.
Are you looking for security check?
Yes, please. Where is it?
Security check is straight ahead.
Do I need my passport there?
Yes, keep your passport and boarding pass ready.
Okay, here is my bag.
Please put your bag on the belt.
Should I take out my laptop?
Yes, please take out your laptop.
What about my phone?
Put your phone in this tray.
Okay,
Please remove your jacket too.
sure.
Do you have any liquids in your bag?
I have a small water bottle.
You cannot take it through security.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You can throw it away or drink it now.
I will throw it away.
That is fine.
Can I take this perfume?
Yes, if it is small enough.
It is a small bottle.
Then it is okay.
What should I do now?
Please walk through the scanner.
Okay.
Everything is fine.
Can I collect my things now?
Yes, you can collect your bag.
Is my gate far from here?
Please check the screen for your gate number.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Hello, I'm looking for a jacket.
Welcome. What kind of jacket do you need?
I need a warm jacket for winter.
We have many jackets here.
Can I see that brown jacket?
Of course. Here it is.
It looks nice.
Yes, it is warm and comfortable.
Can I try it on?
Sure. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
How does it feel?
It is good, but a little big.
Would you like a smaller size?
Yes, please.
Here is the medium size.
This one fits better.
It looks good on you.
How much is it?
It is $70.
Do you have any discount?
Yes, today there is 10% off.
That is good.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I will take it.
Great choice.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment approved.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new jacket.
Hi, nice to see you.
Hi, nice to see you too.
Sorry, I am a little late.
That is okay. I just arrived.
This cafe looks nice.
Yes, it is quiet and comfortable.
What would you like to drink?
I would like an iced coffee.
Good choice. I will have a cappuccino.
Do you want something to eat?
Maybe a piece of cake.
Chocolate cake?
Yes, I like chocolate cake.
Me too.
How was your week?
It was busy but good.
What did you do?
I worked a lot and cleaned my room.
That sounds tiring.
Yes, but I feel better now.
My week was also busy.
Did you finish your work?
Yes, finally.
That is great.
Do you want to watch a movie this weekend?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Maybe a comedy movie?
Perfect. I love comedy movies.
Great. Let's order now.
Yes, let's enjoy our coffee.
Good morning. What are you making?
Good morning. I am making breakfast.
What do you usually cook in the morning?
I usually make eggs and toast.
That sounds simple and tasty.
Yes, I like simple food.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink coffee every morning.
Me too. I need coffee to start my day.
Do you cook every day?
Sometimes I can make simple meals.
What can you cook?
I can cook pasta and rice.
That is good.
What do you cook for lunch?
I often cook rice, vegetables, and chicken.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking at home.
Do you clean the kitchen after cooking?
Yes, I always clean the table.
I wash the dishes after breakfast.
That is helpful.
The kitchen is an important place.
Yes, it is the heart of the home.
Can we have coffee together tomorrow?
Yes, that would be nice.
Great. I will make the coffee.
And I will make breakfast. Good morning. May I see your passport?
Good morning. Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Where are you traveling today?
I am traveling to London.
What is the purpose of your trip?
It is a vacation.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 1 week
Where will you stay?
at a hotel in the city center.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
May I see it, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Is this your first visit to London?
Yes, it is my first visit.
Do you have checked baggage?
Yes, I have 1 suitcase.
Are you carrying any restricted items?
No, I am not.
How much cash are you carrying?
About $500.
Okay. Please look at the camera.
Okay,
Thank you. Your documents are in order.
that is good to hear.
Here is your passport.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hi. I would like to order a pizza.
Sure. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Here is the menu.
Thanks. What pizzas do you have?
We have cheese, chicken, pepperoni, and vegetable pizza.
What is on the chicken pizza?
It has chicken, cheese, onions, and green peppers.
That sounds good.
Would you like a small, medium, or large pizza?
A medium pizza, please.
Would you like extra cheese?
Yes, please. I like extra cheese.
No problem.
Can I have a drink, too?
Of course. What would you like?
I would like a cola.
Small or large?
Large, please.
Anything else?
No, that is all.
Your pizza will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Okay, I will wait.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
I hope you enjoy our food.
Thank you.
Here is your pizza and cola.
It looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
How was the pizza?
It was very tasty.
I'm glad you liked it.
Can I have the bill, please?
Sure. The total is $16.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment approved. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course.
I am looking for a supermarket.
There's a supermarket near here.
Great. How can I get there?
Go straight down this street.
Okay. Go straight.
Then turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Yes, that is right.
Is it far from here?
No, it is only 5 minutes away.
That is good.
You will see a bank on your right.
Is the supermarket near the bank?
Yes, it is next to the bank.
Is it a big supermarket?
Yes, it is quite large.
Can I buy fresh vegetables there?
Yes, they have fresh vegetables and fruit.
What about milk and eggs?
Yes, you can buy milk and eggs too.
Perfect. I need those things.
You can find almost everything there.
Is there parking outside?
Yes, there is a small parking area.
That is helpful.
Are you new in this area?
Yes, I moved here last week.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you.
Let me repeat the way. Go straight, turn left, and the supermarket is next to the bank.
I understand now.
Good.
Thank you for your help.
No problem. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What are you looking for?
I am looking for pasta.
Pasta is in aisle 5.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Where can I find tomato sauce?
It is next to the pasta.
Great. I want to make pasta for dinner.
That sounds nice.
What kind of pasta do you recommend?
Spaghetti is very popular.
I will take spaghetti.
Good choice.
Do you have regular tomato sauce?
Yes, regular sauce is on this shelf.
I do not want spicy sauce.
Then this one is good for you.
Thank you. I also need some garlic.
Garlic is in the vegetable section.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome.
Hello. I would like to pay.
Sure. Did you find everything?
Yes, I did.
Your total is $13.
I will pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment approved.
Can I have a receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your pasta.